How do you think this relates to disconnect and connect today?
Well, the digital photographs became a springboard for a series of paintings of the cloud views that I could see through the individual window panes here in my giant window. And the idea was to make a physical installation to show a connection between the virtual digital world and the more tangible world. Almost like a connection between the external and bringing it internally. Bring in an element of touch because they're very textured and they're quite intimate to look at and obviously physically made. To use an iPhone because of the speed of the change of lighting. It's just a very immediate and always accessible instrument one has at their fingertips. So I basically used it as a spontaneous form of capturing that very moment.